Good morning and welcome to our PNW adventures in San Francisco.
Good morning.
We are at Baker Beach today.
Yes.
In the fog.
Yes.
Because it wouldn't be a true PNW adventures without some sort of challenge added to the day.
Usual San Francisco, I think.
Yeah. But today we are going from Baker Beach
all the way to the Golden Gate Bridge, across the Golden Gate Bridge.
We're gonna walk across the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yep.
All the way down to Sausalito and then take the ferry back over to San Francisco.
Wow.
It's gonna be a day of walking.
Yeah.
But it'll be amazing. There's some cool batteries along the way.
Yep.
Great scenery.
World War II.
I mean, not much more you could ask for.
Yeah, I think it's going to be about 6 miles or so, but we'll tell you in the end.
All right, well let's get this adventure started with a stair ladder climb.
Why not? Why not?
Why
Let's
not?
do it.
Let's do this.
Right, 0.8 to the bridge, but we're gonna show you a couple World War II batteries
Go explore.
first. So
Yay!
a little bit more. Let's go.
All right, we are at Battery Crosby, and Battery Crosby was built in 1900. It was armed with 6-inch guns to protect. There was a minefield under the Golden Gate Bridge, and the minefield guarded against minesweepers and fast-moving boats trying to navigate through the minefields. So crazy. So this is where the 6-inch guns, disappearing guns, would have been back in the 1900s.
Alright, we have gone on to the Batteries and Bluffs trail, and now it's 1.2 miles to the bridge.
If you want to stay up above and not go to the batteries, it's only 0.8.
Yep, on the road-ish.
But we're taking the scenic route.
The history route.
I think we're almost to the top. We're getting off. For us to walk over.
That was cool. What we got there?
We are at Battery Godfrey, and Battery Godfrey was armed with the largest weapons of the Endicott period. They had 12-inch rifled guns mounted on barbette carriages, and the guns could match the 12-mile range of battleship guns at that time. Pretty crazy. Battery Hotel, which was built in 1900, and it had 3 5-inch rapid fire rifles.
Holy cow.
All right, we are here at the Golden Gate Bridge. Finally, it cleared off for us because it's been foggy all day. So can't wait to walk across it. It's gonna be loud, but here we go. All right, so the Golden Gate Bridge took about 4 years to construct. It started in 1933, and In 1937, it was completed. In that time, it cost approximately $35 million, which in 2016 is $1.5 billion. And it's called the Golden Gate Bridge not because of the color of it, but because Golden Gate is the entrance into San Francisco Bay from the Pacific Ocean.
All right, here we go. It's gonna get loud, so I'll play some soothing music for you or something like that.
I'm so excited. I'm so scared of heights too. Oh my gosh, this is crazy.
Let's go.
Experience. Tons of bicyclists, tons of walkers, so you definitely got to watch where you're going.
When you're taking pictures.
Especially when you're taking pictures. But we are on to our next tower. Let's go.
Here.
Hey!
Oh, we can hear.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
We're back towards land.
Look at the size of that thing. All right, a little bit more to go. Land ho! Woo!
Found the route to Sausalito,
I think.
hopefully.
Yeah! Y'all on Alexander Way going to Sausalito, and you see that sign? Hit us up. You see our sticker still there? All right.
Okay,
Do not recommend walking from the viewpoint down to Sausalito.
no, get an Uber.
Yeah, it's pretty tight, pretty tight.
Tight curves,
Yeah.
lots of cars,
Yep.
lots of bicycles.
Yep.
They don't have a good walking path, even though Google Maps may say there's a way to walk, there's not, besides walking on the road.
Yep.
So, learn from our mistake, but we're still going there, so take an Uber
They got beer there. They got beer.
and food.
They got beer.
I'm gonna take it up a deck. Oh, 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 oh.
We have to sit down longer than 10 minutes. Alright, well that is it for our hike today from Baker Beach to the Golden Gate Bridge to Sausalito.
Wow.
And then the ferry back.
Wow.
It was amazing. We did about 9 miles, climbed about 1,000 feet in elevation, and it was the coolest experience ever.
We are sunburned. Our legs are toast. We're in a shadow. And we're gonna go find
A couple cold beers.
No, some more beers.
Some more beers.
Yeah. So
thank you for joining us on our San Francisco edition of our PNW Adventures, and we'll see you in the next video.
peace out.
Deuces.
Bye. Currently looking for the Jawas. We're looking for a C-3PO and R2-D2. Said that they were going to be here.
I did the hand thing. I would say we're working off the beer from last night, but we didn't even have any.
We had 2 all day and 11 miles. Oh. Definitely going to have more than 2 today.
And garbage.
Garbage. Cool. My underwear. That's where you've been. So amazing. You smell weed on a bridge right in the middle of it. So weird.